Let's look at this Lucky Tuesday plan. This is the first plan and it's starting from event 700. You see 84 at fourth box winning. So from 700, you're counting 1. So following week, go to event 701. After the 84, you see 65. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. The 65 will counterpart to 20, same position, to meet a number which is 90. Let's take it slowly. Let's come to the current one. When you come to event 757, you see 83 here, representing the 84 in the first plan. So following week, you see this 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. The 28 will counterpart to position to meet 59. So let's go back to the first plan. So this counterpart to meet 90. So following week, played a number at center box 64. Then following week, the 90 counterpart to play 45. So let's come to the current one. So after this one counterparted to meet 59, following week you see a number at center box 55. Then following week, the 59 will counterpart to play 14. Let's go back to the first one. So afterwards, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 53 will play with a number. 53 is a constant number, so here 53 played with 4. Then 1, 2, 3 weeks, played a number at last box with group 9 at machine. Let's come to the current one. So from here, 1, 2, 3 weeks, you see 53 constant number with a number close. Here it's 27. 1, 2, 3 weeks, played a number at last box with group 9 at machine. So from here, this group 9, 1, 2, 3 weeks will come to winning with its counterpart, and then you see the 64 jump to play here. So let's come to the current one. So from here, you see the group 9, 1, 2, 3 will come to winning with its counterpart, and then you see this 55 will jump. Let's go back to the first one. So when this 64 jumped, that 84 that we started with, this 84 counterpart to play at second box in machine, and then you see this 53 jumped, and then this 4 counterpart. Let's come to the current one. So you see that this 83 will counterpart to play at position, and then this 53 will jump, and then the 27 will counterpart to 72. So from here, 1, 2, 3 weeks, we expect this 39 to counterpart back to 84, so that this 64 that jump will jump along to give us 2 sure. So when you come to the current one, this is the current setting. So we expect this 38 to counterpart to 83, so that this 55 that jump will also jump along to give us 83, 55, 83, 55. Let's look at this Lucky Tuesday plan. We are using the same Lucky Tuesday chart. Year 2020, when you go to event 662, you see 35 at machine. Following week, 35-10 to play 53 at center box winning. When you come to the current one from event 768, you see 42 at machine. Following week, 42-10 to play 24 at center box winning. And following week, this one played a number at last box, which is 16. Following week, 12. This one played 64 at last box. Following week, 12. So from the 12, 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3 weeks, you see the 16 jumped. So from the 12, 1, 2, 3 weeks, you see 64 jump to machine. And then this 16 jumped to play with a number at winning. Here you see 83 at center box. Here too you see 62 at center box. Following week, 83 counterpart to 38. Following week, 62 counterpart to 17. At the same time, you also see 20 here counterparting to 65. So we don't know whether it's using position or it's going to pick the group 2, which is 60. So when this one counterparted, following week repeated. So if it's picking 62 to counterpart, that means we should expect 17 to repeat. But if it's using the group 2, which is 20, counterpart 65, then which means 65 should also repeat. So we'll pick the 2. And also, when you come back to where the system played, you see there is a number there. That number went plus of 1 to play 86. You see 85 going plus of 1 to play 86 at machine. So that 86 counterpart to play 41, and then the 85 also came along. So when you come to the current one where the 64 played, you see 67 going plus of 1 to play 68, and you also see 20 going plus of 1 to play 21. So which means either 68 should counterpart to 23 so that 67 will jump, or 21 should counterpart to 66 so that 20 will also jump along. So in that case, we'll add 66, 20, 23, 67 to 17, 65, because one of them should repeat.